everyone! Today I have for you a recipe for a face and body milk from fresh aloe vera leaf. The lotion has a light and fluid texture. Perfectly moisturizes the skin, leaving it soft and firm. Those effects were noticeable on my skin after about a week of regular use in the morning and evening. Thanks to its consistency, the milk is very efficient, and a small amount of it is enough to moisturize the skin of the whole body. The cosmetic is suitable for all skin types, and due to the content of aloe vera, safflower oil, dipantenol and urea, it is specially recommended for dry or irritated skin. To make 100 grams of milk, weight 5 grams of emulsifier and add 20 grams of distilled water to it. Place the dish in a water bath until the emulsifier dissolves. In the meantime, in another jar, place the aloe leaf pulp and blend it. If you don't know how to take the pulp out, check my other video, link in the description down below. Strain the aloe vera pulp through a sieve and weight 30 grams of it. Take the dissolved emulsifier from the water bath and mix it. Then leave it to cool down completely, and in the meantime prepare the water phrase. Weight 5 grams of urea, add to the aloe vera juice and mix together. Next, add 2 grams of dipantenol and combine with the other ingredients. Add 2 grams of pseudocollagen and 8 grams of glycerin. Mix everything with a mixer until the dipantenol is completely dissolved. Adjust the pH of the water phrase. The litmus paper shows a value between 5 and 6. I want the pH to be around 4, so I add 1 drop of flaxseed acid at a time, mix and check the pH again. I added a total of 5 drops. Then slowly add the water phrase to the emulsifier, stirring constantly. Weigh out 25 grams of safflower oil and slowly add it to the water phrase with the emulsifier. Add 20 drops of preservative to the emulsion and 10 drops of chamomile essential oil. Stir after each added ingredient. You can replace both the oil and the essential oil with another one of your choice. The list of all ingredients used in the recipe you can find in the description box. Finally, I added a pinch of xanthan gum to stabilize the emulsion and prevent it from phrase separation. Stir until all the ingredients are combined and the emulsion becomes thicker. The emulsion will thicken even more with time, but the final consistency is light, slightly liquid and more like a milk than a thick cream. I pour the ready emulsion into a clean and disinfected pump bottle. The face and body milk is now ready to use. The cosmetic with a preservative you can store at room temperature for up to 6 months, away from direct sunlight and heat sources. Let me know if you like the recipe and see you in the next video. Bye bye!